7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
New collection from Anjani Interior Design.
Project from the most classic to the most modern decorating style. We are always on the lookout for the most amazing interior design projects and always follow the work of the world's most famous interior designers.
This our new collection. Sofa custom good fabric and solid teak wood materials.
Custom designed solid teak wood sofa SCD manufacturer from Anjani Interior Design. The beauty and strength of solid teak wood sofa.
Sofa, solid teak wood, is one of the most popular woods in the world. Teak wood is a species of hardwood tree found throughout Southeast Asia.
We have used it for over many years for solid teak wood furniture such as teak wood sofa set furniture, including solid wooden sofa, tailored teak wood sofa, antique wooden sofa set, and other solid wood sofa set.
Table is a timeless accessory for your home. It can also be a side table, couch table, or living room table. This table is handmade of solid teak wood, which is very sturdy and durable and has natural characteristics.
I feel weak, I feel weird, just like I'm not even real. A deep blue sky.
Every step of the process is carried out with the greatest care, be it polishing, painting, or lacquering.
You can order furniture according to the design you want. Anjani Interior Design will make your dreams come true.
This new collection from Anjani, different style, the top material solid teak wood, and the table leg iron finishing blacked off.
Shopping for wooden handicrafts? Look no further. We sell the very best wood handicrafts at the best prices. Browse our extensive handicraft catalog, wholesale and retail, worldwide shipping. Shop and save. Wooden handicrafts are objects that are made by hand, out of wood. Bali is well known for its talented artists that can create any number of objects with their bare hands and a few simple tools.